Hey there, Abiding fam, and welcome back to my channel for another journal with me. If you're new here, my name is Kelsey Lee, and this is going to be a rather quick journal entry, but if you are wanting some more journaling content after this one, I have tons of other journal with me's and flip throughs here on my channel, so I would encourage you to check those out, and maybe once you've watched one or two, you'll be inspired to join our Abiding fam by hitting that subscribe button. I'm just going to dive right into what I'm doing here on the page since we have limited time together. As you can see, I am working with a large 4x6 photo that is made up of several smaller photos to form a little collage of the day we had. And the way I do that is using the Pick Collage app, and I talk all about how I create tiny photos for my journaling and create collages using that app in a video dedicated to exactly that topic. So I would encourage you to watch that after this one. I'll have it linked for you up in the cards. And then once I have my photo down on the page, it's just a matter of picking out the different embellishments and items that I feel will best capture the day. This particular day that I am documenting was a really special November day where we met up with friends at a really adorable cafe and just enjoyed breakfast together. We had our coffee. The cafe had some very Christmas vibes already going at the end of November, and so I wanted to bring the feel of that cafe onto this page, and I think I achieved it with all of the ephemera pieces and the warm hues. It really just takes me back to that place, and that's what I try to do when creating any of my journal spreads, is take me back to that moment with the stickers and ephemera and words that I choose to use. And that would be my encouragement to you when trying to figure out what to use on a page, is to really think about what the essence of that moment was. How did it make you feel, and how can you capture that in certain colors or designs or words that you pour out in your journaling to bring you back to that moment. Here you can see I'm adding in a tip-in, which is journal lingo for a card that you use washi tape to attach to your page so that it can flip up like a little door on a hinge, and then you can add more content to your page. So I am just adding that on with some decorative washi tape, and then I'm going to use that extra space to add this movie stub, since after we enjoyed this time with friends at the cafe, we went to see a movie together. And although that part of the day was pretty separate from everything else we did in terms of meeting up with friends and the cafe, I still really wanted to include that element, and so a tip-in was a great way to achieve that. So I added a few more stickers to draw everything together, including a coffee mug, because of course you cannot document a time at a cafe without including a coffee mug sticker somewhere on the page. And then I just needed to write in the date, so I went ahead and used my number stencil, my beloved number stencil, as you guys are well aware, here to write out the date. And I am using a Nuvo glitter marker to fill that in. If you're curious, these markers are so wonderful to add a little bit of glimmer to your page. They are fast drying and do not smear. I highly recommend them, and I do have them linked in my Amazon shop. Then it just came to adding in some journaling and one last finishing touch with these little pine needle doodles. And that, my friends, is the completed spread. I hope that this video has inspired you to get into your own journals and document your life. If it did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and join the Abiding fam by hitting the subscribe button. I also want to take this moment to just quickly thank my patrons who support my channel and make this all possible. If you're interested in joining and getting some exclusive content, check out patreon.com/abidingkelseylee. Until next time, fam, keep exploring your abiding creativity and document a life full of abiding faith, hope, and love.